You might be doing everything right and still be wondering why your hair is stuck at the same length, and the truth is that you might actually be the one ruining your progress without even realizing it. One of the biggest reasons many people struggle to retain length is not because their hair is not growing, but it's because they are losing way too much hair more than they are actually growing. Every time you drag a comb through your hair or force knots apart or even shampoo your hair without properly preparing it, you could be losing strands that took you months to grow. And that's where this treatment comes in. Prepooing is so important, and in today's video I'm going to show you this amazing pre-poo and detangling recipe that will help soften your hair, reduce breakage, improve moisture retention, and make your wash day much more easier. So if your hair is always feeling so dry, tangled, hard to manage, or stuck at one particular length, then you seriously need to try this. For this recipe, you'll be needing fresh okra. Start by washing it thoroughly to get rid of any form of dirt, then slice it into smaller pieces. I used about 10 to 15 pieces of okra. So okra contains vitamin A, C, and K, as well as folate and antioxidant that supports healthy hair. The mucilage inside okra helps lock moisture into the strands, making dry hair feel softer and more smooth. The slip in okra helps the comb to glide through your hair more easily, reducing friction and breakage. Okra also helps to improve elasticity, and we all know that elastic hair can stretch slightly without breaking, and this is very important because dry hair tends to snap easily when manipulated. Keeping the hair moisturized and flexible can help reduce breakage. So I poured my sliced okra into the blender and I went in with 2 cups of water. And another thing I'll be adding into the blender is my sliced fresh aloe vera. So I'll go ahead and blend everything together. Aloe vera has been used for many years in natural hair care because of its soothing and moisturizing properties. Aloe vera contains water, vitamins, minerals, amino acid, and enzymes that helps nourish both the hair and the scalp. After blending, I noticed it was a little bit very thick and would be very difficult to come out from the strainer, so I went in with a little amount of water. Just be very careful while adding water so you don't make the finished product very runny. Most people prefer to cook their okra instead of blending it. Whichever method is great. Just make sure if you're choosing the cooking method, do not add your aloe vera together while boiling it. Just extract your aloe vera juice separately, and when the okra gel is completely cool, you can go in and add in your aloe vera juice because heat can destroy the nutrients that are found in aloe vera. Now, after blending or cooking your okra, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and strain. You can use a cheesecloth, a strainer, or a wig cap just like I am doing. Just make sure to double the wig cap so it doesn't make a mess. This part can be difficult or very easy depending on how thick or runny your mixture is, but I will advise you don't make it runny, okay? And after straining, you can go ahead and add in your oils. You can add coconut oil, any oil of your choice. Just go ahead and add it in. I didn't actually add any oil into this, but I'll be showing you how I use the method I use during application, so keep watching. And in case you're yet to like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also drop a comment. If you get the consistency of this mixture correctly, it will definitely stress you out while trying to pour into your applicator bottle, trust me. And yes, this mixture does not only help to detangle your hair, it has a whole lot of benefit for your hair health. Most people always think their hair is not growing, but the truth is that they are losing so much hair during wash day without even realizing it. One thing many people with long healthy natural hair do differently is that they prepare their hair even before shampooing, and if you're skipping pre-poo treatments, especially moisturizing and slippery ones like this okra and aloe vera gel, you could be missing out on better length retention, soft hair, and even easier detangling. You can see how dry, matted, and tangled my hair is. Just imagine me going in with a comb just like that. It's going to be a total disaster. So every time you force a comb through dry tangled hair, every time your strand snaps during detangling, and every time your hair feels rough and impossible to manage, you are actually losing length that could have actually stayed on your hair. Before I apply the treatment, I started by sectioning my hair into smaller parts. Working in section will actually help ensure every strand is coated properly and prevent the hair from tangling. Now, because I didn't add oils into my okra mixture, I added some oils into my water. I shake that properly and I applied it first before I'll go in with my okra gel. So in case you added some oils into your mixture, you'll be using only water or maybe your herbal spray to apply on your hair. Then after that, you apply the gel generously from the roots of your hair to the tip, focusing especially on tangled area and dry ends. After applying the gel, make sure to use your fingers to run through your hair to gently separate knots before using a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush. And as you detangle, you should notice the comb or the detangling brush will be running through the hair more smoothly. Don't rush the process, just make sure to be patient and gentle and avoid pulling your hair aggressively. And once your entire hair is coated, you're going to cover this up using a shower cap or a plastic bag, and you're going to leave this treatment on for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, as this is going to give your hair time to absorb moisture and soften properly. And after the waiting time, you can go ahead, rinse off the okra, then go in with your shampoo. And after shampoo, you can either go in with your deep conditioner or you can go in with your protein treatment. Just go ahead with your normal wash day routine. And if there are any leftovers after using this, you can put it in the refrigerator, but I personally do discard it and I make fresh one each time because you can only refrigerate this for a few days. So always check for the smell, color and texture before reusing it. And also, while straining the gel, make sure to strain properly so you're not left with particles of okra and aloe vera on your hair after washing. And also, just because this mixture is made to make detangling easier does not mean you should rush the process. Detangling should always be done gently to avoid unnecessary breakage. So make sure to take your time and detangle gently. Most times, it's not always about the product, it's about how gentle you are while caring for your hair, especially during detangling. Healthy hair is not only about growth, it is also about retaining the hair you already have by keeping it moisturized, gentle and protected. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also let me know in the comments if you have ever tried okra or aloe vera on your hair and how it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.